Hi there, Cher Johnston here. Today we're going to do Pick a Stitch Tuesday. We're doing French knots. Now when you're doing knots in embroidery, it's important that you have the proper needle. I have a number 1 milliner's needle. It's also sometimes called a straw needle. And it's important because it's the same width, like it's not any wider at the eye. It's the same width all along. It helps to get the needle through the knot. So with a French knot, you're going to go back like this, wrap the thread once, twice, or 3 times. Just going to wrap 1 time, go back in very near to where you came out, but not in the exact hole, and then pull through to the back. And that's a 1 wrap French knot. And now I'm going to do 2 wraps. Again, you're going from the fabric out, wrap once, twice, and go back in close to, but not in that same hole. Hold the needle from the back and pull the thread tight, and then pull through to the back. You can also do 3 wraps. 1, 2, 3. And tighten that knot up, pull through to the back. Anything beyond 3 wraps and they'll get loopy. They get kind of loopy. Sometimes that's the look that you want. So I'm using a green, this is a pearl cotton, DMC 3346 pearl cotton. And I'm just going to show you, let's just do 3 wraps and stick it back in. And I'm not going to tighten it down. And you get a knot that's a little bit loopy. It's bigger and it looks kind of loopy. Sometimes that's what you want. Like I did sometimes with hair. You want to put hair on a person, you could use yellow thread or brown thread. And French knots that are kind of loopy like that. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.